Today we are going to learn Unit 3 Prose. This is a very interesting unit. It says about empowered women navigating the world. That is, empowered means what? Empowered means a women having full confidence in taking decisions, in leading their life independently. So these are all called as empowered, the meaning of empowerment. Okay, so here we are going to see a real story of 6 crew members who has travelled all along the whole world. We must have seen like all women police station, like this, all women crew member, no men are there in that boat, and this woman has managed 254 days to travel the whole world. So it is really enthusiastic lesson, students. Hope this creates interest among you. See how women are so enthusiastically come out. So we have to be thankful to the women who have fought for their rights. Because of that only, so much changes has come, and in many fields women are shining. So the lesson itself starts with gone are days. Gone are days where women in India remain indoors. Indoors means within home. So the women are not now living only within home. They are traveling all over the world and they are learning a lot. And before, how they were, gone are the days when women in India remain indoors unless permitted to go out with an escort. That means whenever a woman wants to go out, she has to be escorted by her parent or by her brother or by her husband, or anybody has to escort her. Escort her means support her, to protect her. So in that way only it was going. But now the change, there are a lot of changes, even the technology. Due to this technology advancement, women has come out like anything. So conditions have changed today. Conditions have changed today. So the day of today is an advanced technology. So the real power of women is projected to the world by the advancement of technology and media. So how the women are empowering themselves, how the women are showing their talents, how the women are showing their, showcasing their all intelligence and all their leadership power and all their science and technology skills. All these things are possible only because of the media like this, internet like this, and so many advancement of technology has empowered the women to come out with their own colorful life. So women are occupying almost all the major positions in the society. You can see in all areas. Before, women used to be teachers generally, but now we can see they are running metro trains, they are running, there are so many pilots. So even in this lesson, currently, women's accomplishments. Accomplishments means what? Achievements. Accomplishments means what? Achievements. So their achievements are tremendous. Tremendous means enormous, huge. That is the meaning. So the accomplishment, the achievement is huge in many fields. You know, wherever the area you can see, in research you can see women are involved, in the police department, in the health department, in IAS department, all the area you can see that women are shining, showing their whole talent. So one such achievement is the all women Indian Navy crew. Crew means group. Crew means group. So this team, they have circumnavigated the world. Circumnavigated means travel around the earth. Travel around the earth. So that is the meaning of circumnavigated. So these women has circumnavigated the world for how many days? 254 days, all alone in a sailboat called INSV Tarini. INSV Tarini. The sailboat name is INSV Tarini. INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So you will be asked question 2 marks. What does INSV stands for? So INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. You should keep in mind this. Tara Tarini. Tara Tarini is a very traditional name. So it is a patron deity, that means a god of protector. So the people who sail in the sea, they worship this god. This god, this temple is in Orissa. So they call Tara Tarini. Tarini in Sanskrit means savior. Xavier means protector. Xavier, Xavior. That means protector. So this INSV Tarini is not one of its kind. This is second sailboat of the Indian Navy. Okay, this is our Indian Navy's boat, the Indian Navy's sailboat. So it is the second boat. The first one is INSV Madurai. The first one is INSV Madurai. So now this Indian INSV Tarini, it is a 55-foot sailing vessel. It is a simple boat which is of 55-foot length, built indigenously. Indigenously means natively. That is made in India. So it has been made in India very carefully, very putting all energy. They have done this. By which company? By the Messrs. Messrs means MESSRS. Messrs Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited. The company name is Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited. It is located at Goa. So this INSV Tarini was commissioned. That means handed over, ordered to be handed over to the Indian Navy. So the government of India has ordered, commission means ordered, this INSV Tarini to be handed over to the Indian Navy service. When on 18th of February 2017. So on 18th of February 2017, this INSV Tarini has been commissioned to the Indian Navy for its service. So let us see how this women, how many women? 6 women. So it has been taken as a project. So that project name is Navika Sagar Parikrama. Navika means the women sailor. So the women who sails. So Sagar means sea. Sagar means kadal, sea. So Navika Sagar Parikrama. Parikrama means bringing a change among women. It's an empowerment like that. Was a project. It is a project undertaken in consonance with. In consonance means in the support of, in the concert of, in the approval of, with the approval of. With whose approval? With the approval of the national policy to empower women. So the government of India has taken a step that the women has to be empowered in this area also. In which area? In the Indian Navy shipment also. So they have taken this as a project under the name Navika Sagar Parikrama, and with the support of the policy, they have taken this project. So the government of India's thrust, immediate need, immediate attention. What is immediate attention? They have given immediate attention for Nari Shakti. Nari means women. Shakti means empowerment. So women empowerment. Under this project, Nari Shakti said, who said this? During the welcome speech, the Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Sunil Lamba, told that this program is a Navika Sagar Parikrama program which is for the empowerment of women. Which is for the empowerment of women. That word is Nari Shakti. The voyage. Voyage means what? Travel in the sea. Voyage means what? Traveling in the sea. So the voyage aimed to showcase Make in India. Actually the basic aim of this travel by the women crew is to showcase the whole world that women are empowered. Women are empowered. And Make in India is a project. We want to self-sustain ourselves and we want to showcase the world that India has all the power to produce its things. So that is Make in India. Under the project Make in India, they have taken this travel, crew members. So let us see who are the 6 very special women who are involved in this Indian Navy's crew. So the first ever to circumnavigate the globe. They are the 6 members who are the first who travelled around the world in the ship without anybody, any men's support. So first ever to circumnavigate the globe, skippered by. Skippered means mastered by or captained by. This sailboat, it was captained by Lieutenant. LT means lieutenant. Lieutenant Cadet Vartika Joshi. So she is the lady who captained this travel. So along with Vartika Joshi, Lieutenant Cadet Vartika Joshi, the other women team members also joined. They are named Lieutenant Cadet Pradeep Jamwal, Lieutenant Cadet Pradeep Jamwal, Lieutenant Cadet Swati Patarapalli, and Lieutenant Aishwarya Bodafatti, and Lieutenant Vijayadevi, and Lieutenant Payal Gupta. So these 6 women, all of them are official rank cadre women who got trained, and they went on a voyage showcasing the Make in India and the Nari Shakti, the power of women. So the travel started on 10th of September 2017. On 10th of September 2017, from the Goa port they started, and they entered at they returned Goa on 21st of May 2018. So they started in 2017, that is September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So it is almost 9 months travel, 254 days travel, and they had 5 legs travel. That means 5 stages of travel. And in the 5 stages of travel, they stopped at 4 ports, that is Australia, New Zealand, and some 2 more ports where they stopped for replenishment. That means to fulfill their ration and fuel needs and all. They stopped in these 4 places, and they achieved their wonderful circumnavigation. This navigation is a very wonderful story, and it has been interviewed. You can see in the next section how the interview goes. Thank you for listening, children. In the part 2 we will see the other